Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a pamper routine for winters. I am going to start with DIY hot oil treatment, for which I am going to take 2 to 3 spoons of parachute hair oil and some small pieces of camphor. Mix it and keep it aside till camphor dissolves. Then you can put it on heat to mix oil and camphor fully. Let it cool down for few seconds, then apply it in your scalp. I like to take it down till my ends as well. Hot coconut oil open out your scalp pores and nourishes deeply. Camphor helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp and prevent further hair loss. Next, I am going to wash my face with my regular face wash. I like to do face wash before any treatment because then I get clear skin to start with. I have a combination skin, but in winters it gets little bit dry, so for me exfoliating in winters is a must. Right now I am using Tea Tree Witch Hazel exfoliating face scrub. I like physical exfoliator than chemical ones for winter because chemical ones makes my skin even drier. This one has tea tree which helps to heal the previous wound and soothes the dry itchy skin. Witch hazel tightens the pores, prevent from sun damage and any skin infection. Then I follow it up with a face mask which is soothing and calming, and by that Multani Mitti comes first. With this VLCC Ayurveda Multani Mitti face mask, they give aloe vera extract and lavender oil benefits as well. I also like to take it down till my neck. Let's keep it for 10 minutes till it dries. Just like my face, I like to scrub my whole body with this dry brush every winter morning. It helps in the blood circulation of the body. Face masks like these are the best before shower because it's easy to wash it then. L'Oreal Paris Dreamland Restoring Shampoo is the best for winters if you have dry scalp. I like to use same shampoo and conditioner because it makes my hair very soft and healthy looking. From some time I have quit plastic loofahs and shifted to organic ones, and I'm really enjoying it. This one I bought from Amazon. After all the exfoliation, I like to use this body oil which makes my skin very soft and hydrated. For face, I like to start with rose water. This one is from Forest Essentials. Following up with the snail mucin, this really hydrates my skin. Next, I like to apply a face serum which is very lightweight and calming to my skin. Last but not the least, I like to apply my lip mask, and I am all done with my pamper routine for winters. I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.